Good morning YouTubers, and welcome to a new channel called Born to Restore. As you can see, this is my garage and this is just the start of me hanging the tools on the walls. I've bought another 6 packs of those magnetic strips to hang my tools, and if I just move down there, as you can see, are all over the place. But as time goes by, weeks and months go by, this will become more tidy. So, why the channel? Well, in the last 2.5 years, I've got to thank people of the help I've been given with my own car, which you can see here. Without their help, I would have struggled. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a school teacher, and their advice, their support has helped me a lot. If you have a look, all sorts of stuff which will improve the car, and again tools to enable me to fix my own car. Lots of portions. If you can see here, I think I need to just zoom out. Again, TV to keep me company. Axle stands again, very safe. Just look down here. You can see there's all sorts of things that belong to the animals. Again, oils. Trolley jack. The best thing about this garage is it's got a window in, so you can actually work in here during the day and not actually use lights. So again, this channel designed to the person who has got a general love of old cars and is not a mechanic and wishes to work on their car and to save a little bit money. That's where I come from. I believe in safety. This is a 1972 model, and I do believe in that a car should be MOT regardless of age every year by a qualified garage who can actually carry out MOTs. I don't understand the people on the internet who try and sell cars saying that they're good, and when you ask them, are they good, can you prove that, they're unable to. Before I bought this MGB 2.5 years ago, I saw a couple of MGBs. Yes, the car is solid, it's in excellent condition, only to be let down and found that with serious corrosion problems, and the seller refused to have the car MOT'd. So clearly known that the car was not good and was trying to rip the buyer off. So, as I said before, there's going to be many jobs on here. Every car you buy, in terms of classics, will have their faults. And I just love tinkering. I love tinkering, and there's so many jobs on this car which need to be fixed. Down to the self-cancelling indicator, which cancels on the right hand side but not on the left hand side, and I've worked out is that the column is in the wrong place. It should be an easy fix. It's things like that. Brakes, I'm going to attempt to renew the whole brake system, not just pads or shoes, but I'm going to renew the brake master cylinder. I'm going to restore the pedal box. There's movement on here from left to right, shouldn't be there, and it's uncomfortable. And I've been told it's an easy job to do. I don't know just yet. The car's going to get new discs, new calipers, new lines. Again, on the back, it's going to get new shoes, springs, cylinders. So when people say I'm renewing the brakes, sometimes they just give it a clean and they put pads in. I am going to renew the calipers, pads, everything to do with the braking system. I think it's one of the things what every classic car owner should do, not on a yearly basis, but should look at safety. This car, I wish I started my YouTube channel 2.5 years ago. It's had a new steering column, it's had new springs, front and back, and I've finished the suspension, and now I'm moving on to the brakes. And it's one of those jobs where once I've moved on to the brakes, and I've done that. I know the engine, I've worked on the engine, I've worked on I've worked on the carbs, and I know the engine's good. My next will be the electrical system, and looking at that. And again, you can keep going on and on. So please like and subscribe. I'm sure I'll not be doing a video every week, or however, over the Christmas and New Year's holidays, I really want to do my indicator, and I really want to get the pedal box stripped down so I can order the parts, and hopefully video as best I can. At the moment I'm using my iPhone, and a lot of people have suggested using the iPhone because of the quality, and really you can just take it out your pocket and record. So please, as I said before, like and subscribe, and that would make me a very happy man. Thank you.